Hello everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. If this is your first time of watching my video, hi, my name is Etiosa. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my body repair oil and glow body oil. Okay, so this oil is a multi-purpose oil. It does a lot of things. It helps to glow the skin. It helps reduce dryness and replenishes the moisture in skin. It helps keep your skin cell healthy. It leaves the skin radiant, soft and smooth. It helps soothe your complexion. It gives the skin energy it needs for natural repair and regeneration, and it also helps to brighten the skin. So the first carrier oil that we are going to be making use of is sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil contains antioxidants that help maintain the buoyancy and structure of the skin cell. It also reduces dryness and replenishes the moisture in skin, increasing elastin due to the rich antioxidant component. Sandalwood can help prevent wrinkles by fighting free radicals formation. In this, we are going to be making use of 300 ml. So the cup I have here with me is 250 ml. So I'm adding in 50 ml, making it 300 ml. So it depends on the quantity you want to make. If you are making a little quantity, you can as well just use your initiative or your experience to do that. But I have the quantity I want to make in mind. That is why I'm making use of 300 ml. So I will advise you watch this video from the beginning to the end. So the next carrier oil that we are going to be using is safflower oil. Safflower seed oil benefits skin with moisture and balance because it helps the skin retain water. It leaves the skin radiant, soft and smooth. Safflower oil also helps to enhance the texture and tone of the skin. Another benefit of safflower oil is that it has a comedogenic rating of 0, which means that it's very good to use for the face without clogging the pores. So don't forget, the oil that we are making is for face and body. Okay, it's very good for face, so you don't have to be scared if you are prone to acne or pimples. This is not going to clog your pores. So guys, I added in 300 ml of safflower oil. So the next oil we're going to be making use of is chamomile oil. Chamomile comprising powerful anti-inflammatory and calming property. Chamomile oil is a wonder ingredient to help soothe your complexion, whether it's irritating, breakout or any other skin concerns. Chamomile oil is great natural remedy to calm your skin and ignite your radiance. So we are going to be adding 300 ml. So we are making use of the same quantity of all our carriers oils. Okay, so that is for the chamomile oil. So the next oil we're going to be using is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is another beautiful carrier oil that I love to use in my glow body oil or brightening body oil. Thanks to the vitamin E, sweet almond oil keeps your skin cell healthy, protects your skin from UV radiation damage, and help your skin look smooth, soft, and free from fine lines and wrinkles. The fatty acid help your skin retain moisture and can heal chapped and irritating skin. Plus the vitamin E can help reduce acne. So you see, you can actually use this on your face. Okay, so in this we are also adding 300 ml as well. Okay, the next oil that I'm going to be adding into this is argan oil. So guys, this is optional. If you can't get this, it's actually fine. I got this from Sophie's Natural. That's the credit for the brand. I love buying my raw materials from them, some of them, not all. So we are going to be adding in just 50 ml. Argan oil is a penetration enhancer. It is reported to increase the moisture content in stratum corneum, hereby having moisturizing benefits. So our next ingredient is carboxylic carbric. This can also be called carboxylic triglyceride. It helps smooth the skin and work as an antioxidant. It also binds other ingredients together and can work as preservative or salt to make the active ingredient in cosmetics last longer. Carboxylic triglyceride is valued as a more natural alternative to other synthetic chemicals found in topical skin products. So I added in just about 100 ml. In the argan oil, I added in 50 ml. So the next oil that we're going to be adding is our labijanese oil, the carrot one. Labijanese oil has two types, so I'm making use of the carrot one. So I'm going to be using 2 bottles, okay, making it 250 ml because the cup I'm using to measure my oils is 250 ml cup, so I added in just two. As you guys can see, it was not really that full, so I remember that I still have a little left in the last container I used, so I decided to add that later on. Okay, so Labijanis oil is a natural lightening oil. I love the oil for the fact that it penetrates very easily, and it also helps even add the skin tone. It helps to lighten the skin. That is more of the reason why I love the oil, and it doesn't give this whitening effect. Okay, you can actually use it directly on your skin. So the next serum that I'm adding is Escabel serum. Now this serum has two types. It has the one in a container like a plastic cup, and the one I'm using right now is the one in the bottle. Okay, so you can use any of the two. I know there are still going to be some of you that will ask which one is better, which one should I use. You can actually use any one that you can get. Okay, both of them are okay, and they are very good, just that this particular one is a bit thicker than the other one, and the other one contains water, like yeah, it contains water, something like that. So anytime I add it inside my oil, it tends to separate. So I decided to get this one, and this one is heavier than the rest of the oils that I use. If you guys notice, all the Carrier's oil that I use are very lightweight. They absorb quickly. So I'm going to be showing you guys an illustration of my friend applying it to her skin, so you guys can see how it glides on very easily. So the next oil that we are going to be using is essential oil. So we are making use of papaya essential oil. Papaya essential oil is very good for the skin. It lightens the skin, yes. It brightening the skin, not lightens actually. I don't know, whatever you understand between lightening or whitening. So the next essential oil is carrot essential oil. So I was using my dropper. I don't know what this thing is called, but I call it dropper. So I was actually using this to get the quantity I needed. I didn't want to use a cup because I just needed few drops. Okay, so carrot oil also brightening the skin. It contains beta carotene and it's very good for the skin. And then the last essential oil that I'm using is Yanglang essential oil. Like, this is one of my fave. This is one of my best essential oil that I like to use in my products. Yanglang essential oil is very good for the skin. You guys need to do more research about this particular essential oil. You will know how potent and how important it is in your products or production, whichever. So I'm adding in just few drop of my Yanglang essential oil. So as you guys can see, my oil is coming up beautifully well. I love the color. See the color that we're going to be getting at the end of this video, and you're going to fall in love with it. Like, it looks so beautiful. So we still have a lot of things that we are still going to be learning, so just stay tuned and keep on watching. Now the next thing I'm adding into my oil is vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. Now I decided to use this particular one because this doesn't smell like the raw measured one they sell in the market, so I don't really like the smell, and that one is very thick. So I decided to use the capsule. So I make use of 20 capsules, so you have to be very generous with it. Okay, so if you are making a little quantity, 5 capsules is okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm adding in is my Polysobate 80. Now when I stirred it the first time, I noticed that the serum I added into it was like, it was having a little bit of water. You know, when water and oil is mixed together, the way it usually looks. So that's what I got. So I have to add in Polysobate 80. If you guys see the spatula, you can see how clear it is. So that is the job of Polysobate 80. Now this powerful thing you can see here is a mixture of my lavender oil and coenzyme Q10. Yes, when I said this glow body oil is a repair oil, at the same time a brightening oil, a glow body oil, something you can use as your daily product. You can use it during the day. Okay, it will not cause any harm to your skin. Now I brought out my Glow Elixir face cream so you guys can see how the color looks like. Okay, now the reason why my Glow Elixir face cream looks like this is because of coenzyme Q10. So this is the color it usually gives to product. It makes your product look very beautiful, and it doesn't stain. Okay, and this thing right here is very expensive. Like, I got this at around 80k, as small as it is. So you can see, if I tell you 100 ml of this oil is 10,000 naira, don't argue with me, because whatever you can see here are not cheap, so I can't sell it cheaper than what you guys expect. Okay, so coenzyme Q10 is a very beautiful active ingredient. So let me tell you guys few things that coenzyme Q10 does to the skin. It gives the skin the energy it needs for natural repair and regeneration, can significantly reduce the appearance of aged skin and wrinkled, has been found to improve the appearance of aged skin. Coenzyme Q10 can help reduce the sun damage. Potent moisturizer and liposome can penetrate into the skin, minimizing water loss. Coenzyme Q10 help promote an even skin tone, and coenzyme Q10 support the production of collagen and elastin. So this is an illustration of my friend applying this oil to her skin. You can see that she's a dark skin girl and her skin is glowing. Look at how easily this oil glides into her skin. You can see how dry her skin is, right? So look at how it is after. Imagine you using this oil every single day. Like, this is going to last you for a full day. And look at how beautiful this oil looks, guys. Don't miss out though. You have to buy this oil. Give it a try and let me know how it works on your skin. And don't forget, this oil can be used on the face. This is my share. I got my share because I can't make this beautiful oil without me getting mine. And you guys know how I love to use oil on my skin, so definitely there's no way I'll make this oil without getting one for myself. And don't forget, this oil is for sale. And also, for those of you that are interested in our skincare training, we have skincare training coming up pretty soon, so please do well to register so you can learn more of this beautiful product and many other more. We are learning 40 different type of skincare products. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to give me a review if you tried it. I love you guys. Bye.